Hey, I thought you guys would like to see. This is the first time I've seen one of these. It's called a prize hub. I know Ice makes them, I think. I don't know who makes this one. What is? You want that? 2,500 tickets? All right, son. Here's like all the junk that you can get when you have like no tickets, 100 tickets, but you can.
More tickets are needed for this.
You pick what you want right here. How cool is that?
More tickets are needed for this event.
So you get a plasma ball. You feed your ticket. Oh, the tickets go right on your card. You swipe your card here, and then you can pick out what you want. This is cool. You want some Hot Wheels. And then it just dispenses whatever you want. Prize Store V. Well, whatever you pick. Yeah, you put your tickets in here. You pick what you want, and it comes right out. It's pretty neat, huh?
What if I wanted a certain color?
You don't, yeah. Still pretty interesting. Thought you guys might like it. I know it's a quick video, but this thing's pretty cool. Here's a behind the scenes look. Stocking it up. Maybe get you some new stuff. What do you get in the wall climbing robot? Where is it? That's only 2,000, not 2,500.
That's what I'm saying. Then we can do some of these too.
Oh, okay.
No,
No, this is way more interesting. Yeah.
saying like we can do the carousel then, and one of these maybe 200s, so you can see it work on all of them.
Yeah. I want the Flarp noisemaker.
No, I saw that tank that climbs up walls. I want that. Yeah. That's what I'm flying. That's a good price point.
Yeah, it is a good price. Yeah. So cool, man. This tech is so cool.
Just keep all your stock right in there.
Yeah. Ooh, back end. Yeah. Hot item on sale, auto sale, available. Yeah. It probably just unlocks the door for you. All right, Brandon, get your prize.
All right, here we go. Ready?
Yeah.
Sure, you're good.
You want C1? C1. Heather, do you see something you want hanging here?
No.
Okay. Why does it say we have 0 tickets?
It says.
No. Come on. She's back there, yeah.
I don't want to open it, so then I'll just get it.
Right, no, we want to see the machine work. Go like while it's still on the screen. Like double. It's not reading any tickets. Oh. Oh, you were swiping it the wrong way. Ah!
Thank you.
Thank you.
I tried both ways. I didn't have the touch.
All right, there we go. C1.
Okay, now what do I do?
Ooh, interesting. Here we go. It's going to be in the top. Go back. C1. There it is.
All right. Here's the
All right, climber. Select it.
Sure.
Yep. Whoa, that was cool. A large prize has just been vended, Brandon. That's so cool. Can we, can the Claus Truck subscribers see? Distinctive climbing. What do we have left?
We got a reswipe. Waited too long.
I want the Flarp noisemaker.
I'm gonna close the door because I want to do it.
All right, I want that. B9,
What is it? How much is it?
500. Or is that too much?
No, we're good.
Because Heather's gonna love that. There it is. Boom. All right. Yeah, Duff. Yeah.
Your prize is vended.
Yeah.
Your prize is ready.
A Flarp noisemaker. Ripper. Shh, wait. It doesn't work.
Maybe you gotta pull a battery tab.
Press buttons for sound. Remove tab on back. Ooh, wait a minute. Heather, wait. Ready? They're all fart noises. Classic fart.
Burritos, hand, buzzer.
Ooh, there's juicy fart.
Willy worms? That's like willy worms?
All those willy worms are kind of cool.
Yeah.
Make sure you get this. I'm curious to see it drop down.
There's a nervous fart.
I don't like that.
What are these acrylic rings? Big teeth.
What's that?
A little football?
Yeah, sure. Let's go for it.
Maybe get a Packers?
Yeah, let's hope.
Maybe.
Oh, we don't have enough tickets.
Oh, you got to swipe.
Where are we at?
Now we're rich.
Here you go. Ready?
Yep. How many would you like?
Just one.
So you want two chances?
Well, what if we get the Packers right away? Here it comes. Whoa, it's really dialing it in. Oh, it goes here. I felt like that came out of the run.
Ready.
What do we get?
I think we got the Browns.
Not the Packers.
This is for table football, though.
Right. You want
That's
to try
cool.
again?
Sure.
You want to ask her if she can exchange it for the Packers?
No, it's okay. Nothing. That's it. We're done. Oh, there's a 15. Yeah. Oh, see, this moves out, and then that gear spins, and that's pretty cool. What do we get?
Redskins.
Ah. All right.
44 tickets. There's a 20. Should we just do a 25?
Yeah. Give Heather some hematite jewelry. Yeah. You gotta wear it.
Yeah, only if you wear these.
I'll wear whatever. Oh wait, we didn't get a hand buzzer. Crap.
Oh,
It's all over now. Yeah, see how that moves out and then moves the yeah, that's cool. All right, let's get out of here. What do we got? Ooh, fashionable. All right, well that is the prize hub. Hope you guys enjoyed. What's up, guys? Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, we've got all sorts of other kinds of videos from how claws work with our Claw Science series, out in the public playing fixed strength machines with fixed strength grabs, as well as us rocking some payout machines like Keymaster. We love to hate them, but we still play them for you. If you're new to the channel, take a second to crush that subscribe button now so you get notified the very second we upload new Claw videos. Thanks again. We'll talk to you again real soon.